I think I feel very positive about it. I think we'll be able to pull it out. Hello, hello. So let's try and turn the KTM 250 on today. This is 10th of March, I believe. It's little very cold as of now, late, but then I just wanted to check if the bike starts. So here's the bike now. This is my scooty. This is my RX100. It's a custom RX100. I'll just give you a glimpse of the RX100. This is how it looks. It's more or less like a dirt bike. We'll try and plug the batteries. It's quite dusty. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Hopefully it should turn on. Keep you here for now. To me, it's super dusty though for sure. Might be wondering where is my interceptor. So since the passes here, Zujila Pass and Rotang Pass, the passes are closed. I could not take the bike today this time, but then hopefully in by next month I'll be riding them back from the place where I've left them. We'll try and plug the batteries now. Where the batteries is actually. I'll get the bolts and the screws to fix the battery in. This is what we need for that. And this is the driver. And this is Bella. What's up, buddy? I've successfully mounted the camera there. I know I should have worn something, a gloves or something, but it's okay. Now, and this is the positive terminal. We'll put the positive in first.
When you're reconnecting a battery, you always put on the positive first and the negative second. And the idea is, if there's going to be just one cable connected, make it the positive. And people are probably like, why? You know, I'm sure people have hooked up the batteries the wrong way and been lucky and nothing happened, you know. But the reason is, so the ground, see, it has this black ground wire, connects to the frame of the vehicle, motorcycle or car. So all this becomes an extension of the ground. This subframe, pretty much anything metal that's connected to the bike becomes an extension of this ground. Whereas the hot just connects to the internal wiring.
Yeah. And now we put the negative one. Here. Okay. The battery has been fixed properly. The plugs are fine. Yep. So yes, we have just put the battery in now. This one is the key. Fine, and let's check the odo first. Okay, I see some lights there. The bike is on now. In some time we'll be measuring the tire pressure and load some air in there. Yeah. Sadly, I won't be able to take it out for a ride as I don't have a helmet for now. But then I want to do a winter ride. I'll try and look for a few helmets. I'll try and get one helmet as soon as possible. Then I'll go on a ride. For now we can. Okay. For now we can maintain the tire PSI in the bike turn the bike off for a little bit and check the we'll check the tire pressure. So this is my tire inflator. Yeah, so yep, that is what we want to fill, and 25 is the pressure now, and 31 we'll go till 31 we'll go till 31.5. So okay, yeah, here go 31.5. Run now. Yeah, this is how we do it. And because you don't use the inflator always, it's like for those emergencies and places when you get a flat tire or anything like that. So this is when you use the inflator. It's not like everyday use. Back again, load it. And hopefully tomorrow, if I get a helmet, I'll go for a spin. Yep, that's about it. Let's wear the. So these are my riding pants. And let's wear them today. And
what are those?
They're called my sandals.
go for a cold spin and lay on my KTM 250. Yeah, this is yeah. So these are my boots. Amarok's Victor, and I have almost done around 1200 kilometers with them. I'm riding for the first time with them in Leh. So I was with them in Goa, and from there Bangalore all the way. Alrighty. This is all my glasses. Done with my pants. These are my gloves. We'll talk about the gloves a little more once we get to the bike. The gloves, again, the best value I believe. These are the Rhinox Evo 3. And they come with this Nox sliders.
Ever wonder what happens when you fall off a motorcycle? High side, low side, mid side? We instinctively put our hands out, something we've done since we were babies. Aww. Something we never stopped doing. You could call it natural preservation. To protect ourselves on a motorcycle, we put on a pair of motorcycle gloves made from cow leather, goat leather, or even textile. Problem is, they all have a higher coefficient of friction than the asphalt, meaning that as soon as your hand hits the road, the glove grips, sending you into oblivion. As the hand grips and the body carries on travelling, it hyperextends the wrist, and right about here, the scaphoid bone breaks. So the scaphoid is the thing that attaches the thumb to the base of the wrist, and without it you can't grip. I mean, imagine if you couldn't grip just for a single day. And at Nock invented a solution. By adding a couple of sliders here and here, we allow the glove to slide. This greatly reduces scaphoid and hand injury, and a bunch of people also agree. Another great innovation from Nox.
And yeah, one more thing with the gloves. They come with the pinky bridge.
Pinky injuries and motorcycle crashes are the most common. But if you're that stubborn and you really want to rock one of these gloves, I suggest either taping these two together or sewing a piece of leather to keep your pinky intact. But if you're used to jerking off like this, you're probably fine. Even if you're going to go out and ride in a tank top, I highly recommend using gauntlet gloves. When it comes to protecting your jerk-off hand, here's what I would consider a full gauntlet glove. It has a wrist strap, a forearm strap, a palm slider, and more importantly, the pinky is connected to the ring finger.
I feel very big on this bike. riding an Interceptor and coming to this coming to my Duke 250. I feel I'm oversized for this bike, plus wearing the gears and boots and everything. And on these I don't have mirrors as well, and I know that's a security concern, safety concern, not security, but I won't be riding the bike much. Yeah, still I have to do it, I know. That is the Leh Palace. Isn't it nice? I swear, just riding in Leh is a different feeling. Whew. God, it feels nice to ride a motorcycle after some good time. So on the right, this is called balkang, and the bread that he was holding is called bazaretagi. You buy it from the local naanwalas, you know. So yeah. Oh, just look at the mountains, man. Wouldn't